For more than a quarter century, Black Panther Party member Geronimo Pratt said he was the victim of an FBI setup. He was convicted of a murder he insists he did not commit. A year ago, CBS News turned up evidence the key prosecution witness was a police informer, something the jury was never told. This doesn't necessarily mean that Pratt is innocent. It may mean that he did not get a fair trial. Today, Geronimo Pratt walked free on bail and talked to CBS News correspondent Jerry Bowen.
After 25 years and 5 appeals, a victory for ex-Black Panther Geronimo Pratt today, victory and freedom.
We're going to keep on until we get what we know is ours.
The same law and order judge who overturned the ex-Black Panther's murder conviction last month heard arguments for his release on bail today.
All right, People versus Elmer G. Pratt.
It was a court-appointed attorney named Johnny Cochran who lost the case 25 years ago.
There's something kind of special about that number 25. I think this court could very well set this bail at $25,000.
And finally, Pratt himself spoke to thank the judge for throwing out his conviction because the prosecution failed to disclose its chief witness all those years ago was a government informer.
I just wanted to thank you from the bottom of my heart for your fair and courageous ruling.
All right, bail will be set at $25,000.
The legal system that kept him in jail for 27 years for something he didn't do cannot be justified by one judge having the guts to do the right thing.
Pratt has always maintained his innocence, as he did again today in an exclusive interview with CBS News.
No, my mother didn't raise a murderer. The last person I killed was in Vietnam.
As you know, the district attorneys decided to appeal.
Mm-hmm.
Why do you think he made that decision?
I think it's a face-saving gesture. I would be the happiest person in probably the country if this case goes to a trial. This is what I've been wanting for years. We have the format, the basis to now call all the things that we did not know during trial, to finally have a fair trial and expose the truth.
What do you think of the justice system?
From looking at it for the last 27 years, it's everything from racist to classist to sexist to everything in between.
Pratt and the Panthers were regarded as a threat to national security because of their armed militancy and black power message, a message Pratt says is still relevant to today's black youth.
They're tired of being like dependent. They know I represent that we don't need anyone to give us any welfare, to give us anything. We can do it ourselves.
The DA's appeal could hang over his head for a year, but for now, he's out. Geronimo Pratt is free. Jerry Bowen, CBS News, Santa Ana.